on today's episode of Math Tuto with Teacher Jack. Ihanda natin ang ating tenga, ang ating isip at ang ating puso at sabay-sabay tayong Math Tuto.
For today, I'll be discussing about solving routine and non-routine problems using data presented in a line graph and draw inferences based on data presented in a line graph. Our learning objectives: at the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve routine and non-routine problems using data presented in a line graph and draw inferences based on data presented in a line graph. A line graph is a kind of graph that uses lines to show the trends or changes over a period of time. An inference is an assumed fact based on data presented in a line graph. So we have here a line graph. Okay, as shown, it contains two related data. The data in x-axis are the sports and the data in y-axis are the corresponding votes in given sports. As you can see, the y-axis is in increasing values from 0 to 120. Now, let us understand the line graph and try to answer the following questions by observing our given line graph. The first question is, what is the title of the graph? Very good. It is the votes for favorite sports. Our question number 2, what data is presented in y-axis? So, kakadiscuss ko lang kanina, ito yung ating x-axis and ito naman yung ating y-axis. So, the question is, what data is presented in y-axis? Very good. Ito yung number of votes. What inference can you make about the most favorite sports? Okay, if you will observe our line graph, the most favorite sport is basketball. Okay, so we can say or we can tell that based on the line graph presented, basketball is the most favorite sport, maybe because it is the most fun and enjoyable sport. And the last question, how many people voted for swimming and volleyball? Okay, let us observe our line graph. For swimming, ang bumoto ay 60. And for volleyball, ang bumoto ay 80. So we have 60 plus 80
is equals to 140 votes. There you have it, kids. I know that you've learned a lot on today's episode. A friendly reminder, kids, don't forget to answer your activities for this week's lesson.
Thank you so much for watching and listening on this video. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, i-click lang ang subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong video lessons ko. Maraming salamat! God bless! Bye-bye!